Hey everyone, it's Deja from Knit and Crochet Ever After, and today I wanted to show you a new pattern that's going to be in my shop, and then also a gift idea for that new mom who you might be making this pattern for. So I'm going to start doing this where I'm going to show you new patterns in my shop on my videos so that you can get a 3D version of the pattern and not just, the picture that comes with it. So this is the Sherbert baby blanket, and I call it Sherbert because I use this really delicate, pretty unisex variegated yarn that's striping throughout. It's great for beginning a project before you know what they're having, so it will work for a boy or a girl, and it's just a really simple pattern that doesn't take much effort, and it works up pretty quickly because you do have kind of all of these big gaps in between, so those color rows really work up quickly. So I am going to post the link for this. You'll see it's just kind of baby size, so it doesn't take a long time to work up to. You can customize the size on it. It's really easy to change the different sizes. Very simple single crochet border, so nothing too dramatic. It's a really simple pattern, and it is available in my Etsy, Ravelry, and everywhere else that I sell patterns. So that is for the baby. But the mom always gets left out. Everybody gets stuff for the babies, but what about the mom? Well, I've got something for you. So my friends over at Elegear, they sent me my most favorite blanket ever, and this isn't the one that I'm going to show you. I just had to show it again because I love this blanket so much. This is a warming blanket, and I love the design in it. I constantly use it on Instagram when I'm showing like stuff I'm working on because it's such a cool background. And then it has kind of the Sherpa lining. And me and my cat love this. My cat makes bread on it and then sleeps on it all day. But this I literally have on my bed every single day because I get very cold most of the time at night. So I have my regular blanket, and then when I'm cold, I throw this on top of that blanket, and it immediately makes me warm. So I've been using this for months, and I love it. It is so warm. I just can't say enough of it, and I'll link it in the description. I love that blanket. But Elegear sent me a new blanket. So this time, and this is the one that I think is awesome for new mothers, it is a cooling blanket, and just putting it on me right now, it's already reducing my temperature. Like, I had that warming blanket on me and it was making me warm. I'm like, I'm a little sweaty, and now putting this on, like, I'm already starting to cool down. So this has some kind of special fabric, so it's a nylon kind of blend, and it instantly cools you. Like, literally, I put it on and I'm like already cooling down. It claims that it cools you 2 to 5 degrees Fahrenheit, so almost 4 to 10 degrees, not Fahrenheit, 2 to 5 degrees Celsius, so almost 4 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's got this, it's very silky feeling on the nylon side. So the nylon side is the side that you put on you if you want to cool down, and then the back side has 100% cotton. So they claim that, when you're warm or hot, put the cooling side on. In the autumn, or like me, because I fluctuate constantly, I would switch to the cotton side once I'm warm enough. But the reason that this is great for postpartum mothers is because I had 2 kids, and I can remember the night sweats. So one of those things that they love to not tell you about after is your body needs to go back to normal. And part of going back to normal is, releasing everything you carried during pregnancy. The night sweats are insane. I probably had them for weeks, but you would just wake up drenched and hot, and this fabric is moisture wicking, so it wicks the sweat away, keeps you cool, and so I think this would be awesome for those postpartum mothers. I'm looking forward to, because summer's finally here, so I'm going to be using this during the summer to keep me cool. And then my Elegear, once I wake up and I'm freezing, I put that back on, so I'm just going to flip-flop back and forth. But right now it is 10% off. There's a coupon code in the description with the link to get to it. This one is like a twin size. They have bigger, they go I think all the way up to queen size, but this is like really, really good size, 60 by 80, so it's gonna cover me completely. And it's just such a, I don't know, I'm like, it's so soft and cooling. It's very weird. I can't explain it. I've never felt anything like it before. So if you're as interested in it as I am, check out the link, read some more about it, and you know, great presents. Go check out the pattern if you need to make any baby stuff this summer, and go check out the blanket if you want to give a little extra to that mom. I'm sure she will really appreciate it. So I'm Deja with knitandcrocheteverafter.com, and thank you for watching.